Austin homeowners are known for embracing design choices that balance style, functionality, and comfort. When it comes to selecting windows, casement windows remain a popular option for residential properties across the city. Their clean lines, easy operation, and excellent performance make them a favorite for both modern and traditional homes. Understanding the most popular casement window styles helps Austin homeowners choose designs that enhance curb appeal and everyday living. Modern casement windows for contemporary homes. Many newer Austin homes feature contemporary architecture with open floor plans and clean exterior lines. Modern casement windows fit these designs perfectly. These styles often include slim frames, large glass panels, and minimal grid patterns. For Austin residential properties, modern casement windows maximize natural light and create an airy, open feel while maintaining strong ventilation and energy performance. Traditional casement windows. For classic appeal, casement windows also complement traditional Austin homes, especially those with classic or transitional architecture. Traditional casement styles often feature decorative grids, wider frames, and detailed trim. In Austin neighborhoods with established homes, these windows preserve architectural charm while offering modern functionality. Casement windows with grids. For visual interest, grid patterns add character and depth to window design. Casement windows are available with a variety of grid options, from colonial to prairie-style patterns. For Austin homeowners, grid-enhanced casement windows provide visual interest that can match a home's architectural style while still allowing ample natural light. Large casement windows for expansive views. Austin's scenic surroundings and outdoor lifestyle make large casement windows a popular choice. These windows provide wide, unobstructed views and excellent ventilation. In Austin homes, large casement windows are often installed in living rooms or dining areas to connect indoor spaces with the outdoors. Casement windows paired with fixed panels. Many homeowners choose to combine casement windows with fixed or picture windows. In Austin residential properties, this pairing creates a balanced design. Fixed panels maximize light and views, while casement windows provide ventilation where needed. Black and dark framed casement windows. Dark window frames have become increasingly popular in Austin home design. Black or dark bronze casement windows create strong contrast and modern appeal. These styles work especially well in contemporary and industrial-inspired homes throughout Austin neighborhoods. Casement windows for hard-to-reach areas. Casement windows are easy to operate, even in areas where access is limited. In Austin homes, they're often used above countertops or in tall spaces where traditional window operation would be difficult. Custom-shaped casement windows. For unique architectural features, custom-shaped casement windows provide flexibility. Austin homeowners use custom casement designs to enhance distinctive spaces while maintaining consistent window performance. Energy-efficient casement styles. Casement windows naturally seal tightly when closed, making them a popular energy-efficient choice. In Austin's climate, energy-efficient casement styles help maintain indoor comfort and reduce air leakage. Professional installation enhances style and performance. To achieve the full benefits of casement window styles, professional installation is essential. For Austin residential properties, proper installation ensures each window fits perfectly, operates smoothly, and complements the home's design. A versatile window choice for Austin homes. Casement windows offer a wide range of styles that suit Austin's diverse residential architecture. From sleek modern designs to classic grid patterns, they enhance both appearance and comfort. With thoughtful style selection and professional installation, casement windows remain a popular and practical choice for Austin homeowners.